knowledge, have upgrade. Then this one is the transfer of land. It's very important. This is almost like the ending of the transaction. You sign your thing, you go through, you redeem the property back. Now next thing is ready to transfer of the land. Now this process begins by sending the necessary documents, including the transfer form, to the stamp office for adjudication and ascertaining the value of stamp duty. Now why is that so? Because you're completing a transaction, the government is taxing you on your acquisition. So what happened is that once the stamp duty is, now we have something called an e-assessment, we can actually do online. Before that, you probably have to spare about a month to get a result. Okay, so your lawyer will know how to time it to actually do it beforehand, even before your loan is processing. Depends how fast is the bank. So all this information is very important. Now once the value of the stamp duty is ascertained, the stamp office will produce a PDS form for the lawyers, and the purchasers need to pay the stamp duty. And the lawyer collects the stamp duty from purchaser and proceed to stamp the transfer form. And the lifespan of the transfer form is only for 3 months. So if you date it, the transfer form is only valid for 3 months. If you expire the 3 months, you have to re-sign it again, or you have to pay some penalty. Just for information, this will be monitored by a lawyer. Now, having heard so long until here, now you still agree with me that sales and purchase transaction is a simple transaction? No, there's a lot of delicate things that we have to make sure as a lawyer, to make sure that it matches, and within 3 months you can get your property. That is the standard term. Okay? Now I just highlight to you that it is actually quite complicated. Just remember, who are the party involved? Okay? You have buyer, yes, seller, seller's financier, buyer, seller financier, land office, stamp office, state authority concerned if you need one. If you get so many parties involved, can this be simple? No. So I can tell you, transaction is never simple. Don't think of it that way, right? And this is your investment. So failing to register a transfer within the period might lead to penalty being imposed. I've just highlighted to you. After stamping the transfer form, the lawyer presents the form to the registry office for registration, and upon presentation, the purchaser would effectively, on the said date, to be the registered owner of the property. Now this is very key, just for information. A lot of people buy properties, they expect, I get back the title immediately with my name on it. Yes? No. You pay your money, what happens is that you register them, you have to present to the land office for registration. The registration, the land office will typically take a period of time before they actually conduct and finish the process. So what I'm trying to tell you is that this one, although you can only get the proper title in your name a few months down the road, but the date you effectively become the owner is the day you present. So today I present 20th of March. 20th of July I get my title. It will say that I am the owner effectively from 20th of March. Okay? So just to let you know. It may take several months, depends on the land office you're talking about, and the physical title is returned to the land office, returned by the land office to the purchaser. That's where your lawyer will have to follow up, and if you are taking a loan, the lawyer will undertake to give the title to the bank. Why? Because it's security. Okay? So what are the tips here? If the property is held under individual title, the purchaser's lawyer can enter a caveat to freeze the property from any dealing until the transfer is registered. So if this, what happened is this, if because you are worried, because if it is not a caveat, nothing there, and all this while waiting for the transfer, you probably want to put a flag inside. If there's any transaction, you will know. But otherwise, the seller will sell again, right? You do not want that situation. The trap is be prepared to pay the cost of stamp duty. There's a fixed scale, and generally, the stamp duty is based on purchase price or market value, whichever is higher. Just to let you know, you have to get yourself ready for this amount of stamp duty required to be paid.